kids, this is Agatha, and today I want to teach you about Sun Salutation. So Sun Salutation is a great flowing sequence in yoga that is designed to energize your body, to help stretch your muscles and also strengthen them. You can do it any time of the day when you need a little pick-me-up and to feel that energy in your body and also in your mind, okay? We go through a sequence of postures and we repeat that for a few cycles. You probably want to have a mat. It will just feel better and softer for the body. So if you don't have one, don't worry about it. Maybe go somewhere where you have carpet, and that should be good. Let's come to standing position. You want to be at the top of your mat with your mat behind you. And the first move, we take a nice big inhale and reach the arms up. As you breathe out, bend forward at your hips. Okay, we're going to inhale halfway up, exhale to release down. On the inhale, we're going to come to a plank position. So this might be hard for some of you, and if it is, it's okay to bring your knees down. Okay, then we go into a funny named posture called chaturanga, where we lower down. Okay, go down onto your belly. Inhale to press up into cobra. Exhale to push yourself back into downward dog. So here we try to keep our legs straight. Some of you may need to bend it depending on how flexible you are. Relax the neck. And on the next inhale, we step one foot forward, step both feet together. Inhale halfway. Exhale, release down. And then inhale, open the arms, lift all the way up. Exhale to release down. Okay, so those are the moves that we need to do, and we're going to put that all together, and let's try to do that 3 times in a row, okay? And when we get to that push-up position, we're going to say chaturanga together, all right? Here we go. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, come up halfway. Exhale, down. Inhale to plank. You can bring your knees to the mat if you need to. Here we go. Remember that C word and chaturanga down. Inhale to cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Let's stay here for one nice breath. And then you're going to step 1 foot forward between your hands. Bring both feet together. Inhale halfway. Exhale down. Inhale, open your arms, come all the way up to standing. Exhale, release the arms. 2 more times. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, down. Inhale, step back, plank position. Bring your knees down if you need to. Here we go. Let's say it together. Going down, chaturanga. Inhale to cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Stay here for 1 breath, so you breathe in and out. We step 1 foot forward between the hands. Both feet together as you breathe out. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, bend forward again. Inhale, come all the way up. Exhale, bring your arms down. Let's do it one last time. Here we go. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, up halfway. Exhale, down. Inhale to plank position. Stay strong. Watch those hips up here. Bring those hips down. Bring your knees down if you need to. Ready? Chaturanga. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Take 1 nice deep breath here. This should feel like a really nice stretch. And then we're going to step 1 foot forward between the hands, stepping both feet together. Inhale, come up halfway. Exhale, down. Inhale, all the way up. Exhale to release the arms. Take a moment just to breathe there. Do you feel how your heart starts to beat faster, that you're getting a little bit hotter? That's what I mean about energizing, right? And your muscles feel like they're warmed up. So a really nice thing to do any time of the day. Hope you guys enjoy it. Bye-bye.